That's so round we just around. Where you they go now?
Just they go straight. I know the street.
Oh God. We follow from the other street, come out. Follow from the street, enter. Which one be the one?
You and the street, they quarrel. Where they complain of the street? You and the street, when I get quarrel. If you don't pass the street, now pass them again. No be supposed to take something.
I don't like this kind of work. I don't like this kind of work. If you go make tell me, I'll drop you here.
No be the street, the best you auto.
Man, your wahala too much for me. Your wahala don't too much for me. This journey no be like this. No be like this.
No matter this journey, you better to try to get this your motor.
Huh?
Motor be like person dey trek
now.
If person trek, you go down reach there before us. AC not there, motor slow. You dey blame me. Go straight, then go right.
Oh, this kind of movement, I don't like am. Me, I won't go back house. Which kind of wahala be this one?
You know even like we don't pass here before.
How you go carry me the waka up and okay.
Go. More make sure so we no come pass here again. We don't pass that thing 2 times. Go straight.
Now because you don't know the place where would they go. If you say you know the place where would they go, for not enter that place.
You press that way, they make the motor move fast. I don't tire. Press am.
I hate this kind of problem. I don't like it. This is the kind of problem I don't like at all. I don't like it. Where is she coming from that at this time she has not arrived now? What kind of problem is this one? I told Mama, I told her. Who's this one?
The motor they make me sleep. I don't like
Which kind of journey be this one? Eh? You don't know where you dey go. How you go come down where you don't know any place?
Even if I know where they go, as you slow the move now, I won't take reach where they go. Match am.
And I don't be to drive this car from you. Not be to drive this car from. Just tell me where I go drop you. Make I go there, go drop you.
Match am. You match am.
Kind of wahala person I carry today.
Hello? Mama? I've not spoken to her since now. The last time I called her, she said she was just leaving Onisha, and now she's not here till now. Mama, where would I go and be looking for an adult at this time now? Where would I go and be looking for her? You think this where she's coming to is a small town? I told you. It's okay, it's fine. I'll just wait. See, I'm just all over the place, worried everywhere.
Place where you never come before. Abi you don't come. I don't even know. Just carry me, put me for trouble. I come here to come to find house for you.
God, I regret I entered this your motor today. If you no move, I want to reach.
And I make you the check number of house. No be you they drive this motor.
Turn like this.
Number 9. So give me my money, make I go abeg.
You calm down. Person where you come see, you know carry my back more for motor first.
Give me my money, abeg.
How much be the money? Stop this nonsense. Make you dey behave well.
350,000. Now you give me.
Where you for carry me?
Okay, what do you talk?
We go abroad.
350,000.
Which kind of talk be that one? Where you carry from?
Where you carry me from?
Now my work I dey do.
Abi Hausa person. Now not carry me from.
Go. You know where we don't round this whole town.
Round which town you go?
Gonna give my money.
Why you no carry am go airport make you go take flights now? Which kind of talk be that one?
Give am any amount what you get.
She thought say you get money. Go.
Which now you work am for
so
me?
You no get sick. Go give me any talk motor. Now you want to tell everybody now?
Now you talk am now. Where you go? You no go anywhere.
Why I no go anywhere?
I know you no go go. Make you go bring the money come.
You get bad behavior.
No. Wait, don't trouble me for road too much. No, you go give my money. Which kind of wahala be this?
Your behavior dey smell.
Make it smell.
You get bad character.
Make it smell. Give my money.
Finally.
Hey.
Welcome back. Make yourself comfortable.
Okay. I don't forget them.
What did you forget? Hey! Coco, what did you...
Hey! Don't go.
What is she looking for like that?
Is it? I know a picture. That's your sister, right?
She's the one, no, she's the one.
Coco.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Why is she in a
I
haste?
don't even know. She just ran out.
What for?
I don't know.
Is everything okay? I know if you stay here. I know if you stay here. Not anybody, nobody even beg me.
What happened? What's the problem?
What do I want to cook? What do I want to cook? What do I want to cook? You just stand. You look. You know what tell her?
I don't know what you're looking. Is she looking for a CV or did she lose her CV? Or?
CV.
What?
She doesn't have any. From the CV. She doesn't have any.
See your tape. I found it in my boot after I got home. To say I know the fear God, I will not return this thing because you give me problem well.
Get out there with your smelly character.
Coco, what?
You are a nuisance.
Coco, what is this one doing in this house again?
Pot, I want to cook.
Put where you want cook and serve. I don't understand. Why would you bring this kind of thing to my house
You
now?
can pot the quarrel. What did they take pot to do again?
I'm not having this one. I'm not going to take it. How can you bring this kind of pot all the way from the village to this place? I'm not going to take it.
I beg, no abuse me. If you know say you no go fit take her, if you go back, go carry my bag and make her dey go.
I'm not abusing you. I'm just saying that you cannot bring this thing here. Oh, Coco, it's always a problem.
You gotta take it easy, okay? You have to take it easy. Take it easy, okay?
Why would you bring this kind of pot here now?
Take it easy, okay? Just take it easy, please. Please, come on, you can help with your pot. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, please.
I'm not fit for where they go tell me what I fit carry come, what I no fit carry come. I must chop as I come here.
I mean, just do anything you want to do. You can't bring this kind of pot here. You can't keep it here. Me, I'm not having this one.
Shebi, you know go advice and I make you call the sister back. You sound like people wey dey do action film. You know call and I make you call the sister back. I dey go.
They go anywhere where they go. Huh? Can somebody bring this kind of pot? Ancient of days, you never change all the time, doing the same thing.
Come on now, come on. I think, come on, slow down, okay? Just slow down.
Where is she even going
Just
to
take
now?
it.
Where does this woman know now?
Take it easy. Look, she'll be fine.
You don't know me. You live Aba, you know tell me say you dey come for Aba.
Please, who are you?
Which one be who are you?
I asked, who are you?
Stop that nonsense.
Don't embarrass me here.
Stop no that nonsense.
Is
Say you
this?
come for Aba, you know tell me say you dey come for Aba.
I said I don't know who you are. Why are you embarrassing me now? Who are you?
You don't know me.
Please, I said don't embarrass me. This is a street.
Sorry, bye bye. That's so sisters they do sisters for foreign land. You go see your sister, you go say you don't know her. They go if you don't know me, as you don't know me, they go. They go now, as you don't know me.
Coco, what is your problem?
You know
Coco, what is your problem? Why are you embarrassing me outside?
No. Why you say you don't know me before?
Coco, what kind of embarrassment is
Nah,
no. How
nah,
will I say I know you with the kind of pot you're holding?
Nah, Bia, I can't see. I go and house, they shout, say, why I carry pot, why I carry load. I don't like, and I come out. I don't know, say, no place for me to sleep. No being God, say, make I see you.
Coco, this is an embarrassment. You're holding a pot and a big spoon walking on the street.
Take me to your lodge.
Did I invite you here? Take it to, for what?
Take me to your lodge. And your sister. Abiance.
See, on one condition, I will be in front. Just maintain your position at the back. Stay at the
No,
back.
we dey go your house.
Coco, I said maintain
Okay.
now.
Oh, yeah.
Don't embarrass me. Stay. Give me
Sister,
stay.
no dey shame for sister. Yeah, stop for no that thing. Man,
Maintain
no dey
your
shame for sister.
Abeg.
Sister, no dey shame for sister. Ah, you need be there.
Come close to me.
I say you no know me, I believe you sef. Everybody, man.
Yeah, babe. I'm ready. What? What is it now? What's it? Why you so downcast? What's going on?
Babe, what if something happens to her?
What will happen to her? She's a big girl. What's wrong with you? Do you know if she even has a boyfriend? And she spent the night at his place.
Jason, what are you saying?
What I'm saying is the truth.
Does it sound like a joke?
It's not a joke, but I'm trying to tell you the truth. Babe, this is what's up, okay? Just, come on now. Maybe she has a man and she just stayed at the person's place. Come on now. You're thinking too much.
I'm not kidding. I know my sister overdoes it sometimes, but come on now. She's a kind-hearted person.
Like you, but you've got the best heart, baby. You've got the best heart. Come on now. Don't be like this. Come on, relax. Your sister is good. You told me you're a deep person. If something's wrong with your sister, you'll definitely find out. Okay? Is your mind telling you that anything's wrong with your sister? No, so she's fine.
Worry, look at the time.
Honey, come on now. You're not talking about a little girl. Come on. You worry too much. Okay? And I love you. I love you. So, baby, yeah. You know, I gotta go now. Yeah, and, yeah.
What?
No, I feel shy to say this now.
The money I promised you?
Exactly.
You want to say that?
Yeah, I mean, come on now. I just feel too bad. I mean, you know, with this setup, they set me up in Europe and then...
I know.
All of this, man. This is why I don't keep friends anymore. I'm telling you. I mean, how could this guy just set me up and now all my money has been seized and now I'm paying legal fees and...
I know. It's well, okay. You're fine, don't worry. How much you say this again?
Yeah, 300K. So I need to get to the embassy and then, you know, the correspondence I have to change I have to change some money for the guy who runs errands for me.
Okay, it's fine. I'll send it to you. Okay. I'll send it to you.
You know I'll give you back in full. Once my money gets out, I'm telling you.
You don't have to.
Yeah, you don't know what I'm gonna do to you, man.
Are you gonna do to me?
I'm telling you. I love you.
I know.
Thank you for being there for me.
It's okay.
I really appreciate this.
It's okay. So, babe, take care of yourself.
I will. I'm almost late too.
Be good, all right?
I will be good, okay?
All right.
You send the money, right?
Sure, I will.
Okay, because I have to go see him and then, you know, get to the embassy. Then after the embassy, I'll now get back to my baby.
It's fine,
okay?
babe. I wish you all the best.
All right. Honey.
Take care of yourself.
Take care, okay.
Bye.
All right. I love you.
I love you too. Oh God, please just give her.
₦100,000.
Yeah.
Is it for data or for what?
Babe, what's this now? Stop now. Stop. Come on now. I told you there's more where that came from. So just chill. There'll be more. There will be more, baby. Come on.
Why need to bring more? Do you think a more richer girl you can manage?
Babe, don't be like this now.
Please.
Babe, chill now. Come on now. Why are you acting as if I don't take care of you? What's all this now?
I should chill and die of hunger.
Babe, what's this? Why are you talking as if... Babe, I told you I got plans for you now. Don't...
Please don't do that. If you cannot take care of me, let me know.
Babe, why are you like this now? Come on, babe, let's not do this now. Come.
Don't touch me. Okay, you know what? When you're ready to do something big for me, let me know.
Sugar! Sorry.
Where are you coming from?
Honey, something happened. I mean,
Something happened?
People are really suffering in this country, I'm telling you. I mean, while I was out, I met this lady with her children, you know, this woman. Very young, I don't know, with her children, and they were looking all muddy, they were so... And I said, I took time, I called one of the kids and I said, what is going on? Is that your mother? She said yes. And I just had to help them out, you know. They have no place to go. They said the father had abandoned them, you know, so I had to take the kids out, you know, to buy a few things for them, and then I got a little shack for them to stay somewhere, you know. I paid for a month's rent for them to be there, and I dashed the woman some money, you know, because I couldn't just stand seeing them suffer like that.
Oh, I'm so proud of you. That's nice. That's amazing.
Okay, man.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry for being that late, okay?
It's okay. I'm proud of you.
Alright.
I was just so worried. I was just confused.
I know you missed me, huh?
I know. I do.
Let me show you how I missed you. Yeah? I want to show you different ways I missed you. Okay. What's going on now? Come on now, let's go to sleep, huh? Let's go to sleep.
Hey, but what if she's not safe out there?
Honey, what do you mean she's not safe? She's good. She's good now. Come on, we're talking about... Do you know what you're talking about? This is a grown person.
She's my only sister.
I know she's your sister, okay? But I think you're worrying too much.
I'm supposed to be worried.
Oh, you shouldn't worry too much. I mean, what if she has a man? I've told you this before. This is an adult. She found her way here, okay? She can find out.
It's not a joke.
I'm not joking. I'm telling you the truth. She might know somebody somewhere and she's at the person's place right now. She's chilling and you're here worried.
That is my only sister.
I know it's your
You need to
sister.
Stop. She's my sister. She's done everything to me. She went through a whole lot just to make me the woman that I am today.
Why you can't sit down like person way hungry they catch? You know yesterday they call your name since outside.
So they sent me away from school because of my school fees.
His school fees don't reach again.
Just now I paid for the other term now. This is a new term.
You never pay what they were pay 25,000. 25,000 were pay never pay at all. Oh.
No, that's past now.
85 we collect for my hand, Uncle. That one no follow.
I used it for something else.
Clean your eye. Clean your eye, yeah? I go arrange the money before tomorrow. Make you no cry. Yeah? And ever I start something, we be say I can't stop am halfway. This school where you start so, you finish am. I go pay until you finish am. Yeah?
Thank you.
I go see. I must raise the money before tomorrow. Now the same 25,000 who will they pay now? Only say the school fees they come quick. It's too quick. The months they fast now. I go pay am. No worry, yeah?
Thank you.
Clean your eye, clean your eye.
That's the only sister I have. We've been through a lot together. They kept sending her out of school because of me. She was buying me clothes, doing everything for me to make sure I become the woman that I am today. Don't tell me to stop talking about it. She's the only sister I have. If anything happens to her, I know what happens to me.
I'm saying nothing will happen to her. Stop now. Nothing will happen. Just relax. Okay? Nothing will happen to her. Trust me when I say she'll be back. I mean, you always trust me when I talk now. Or don't you trust me now? Yeah, nothing will happen. Okay? Let's just go and sleep, please, huh? Let's go. Baby, let's go. It's too late. Let's go. Let's go. It's okay. Alright?
now? What is this? Will I continue like this? Coco, Coco, please get up. Coco, see, I'm here. Coco, what is this now? Eh? Is this how you sleep?
It's nice to sleep. Oh.
No, because I'm happily in my own house. I cannot even have a peaceful night rest. You nearly pushed me out of my own bed.
Oh yeah. Because I'm sleeping in your house now. You want to tie my hand and my leg. This is how God created me now. This is not how I did.
No, this is not how God created you. You created yourself this way. See, listen, I don't know how you want to do it, but I have to sleep. As big as this bed is, just imagine. I don't like this thing, no. I don't like this thing. If you don't want to sleep, allow me to sleep, oh.
Madam, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I beg no vex, so how is business?
Fine.
Madam, I beg, I dey find my sister. She come my house and I send her to go buy something she dey miss. I never see am since she come up for house. I beg you see any black girl we carry pots for head, we carry bag, black girl, she just dey waka. I don't know.
No, no see am.
You no see am? Okay, madam, you no see any girl we black, we look local. She carry pot for this area at all.
I don't see anybody.
All right, thank you, ma.
Babe, now, come on. Baby. Let's go.
Just go, join you. Okay, please.
What do you mean you join me? Come on, baby, come on now.
You just go.
Babe, what do you mean I should go? Come on.
I'm not in the mood, please.
Babe, what is this now? You're still worried about this girl now. Stop now. Stop. This is an adult we're talking about now.
How do you even put your words together? Where do you get your words from? What? How do you put them together?
What are you saying? Where do I put my words together? I mean, this is an adult. You call this person on the phone and she says she's okay. She's alive. So why are you doing... Babe, come
my sister is out there.
Your sister is out there. Yo, she's not missing. You said you got her on the phone. Come on now, babe. Let's not do this. I beg, babe. I need you. Come on.
Jessica, you just leave me alone. What is wrong with you? How would you feel? Will you go that she did the only sister is out there missing? What is wrong? Oh God, please, just save me from this man. What is wrong with you?
Babe, just tell me you don't want to get down with me.
Do you have any conscience?
No, seriously, this is nonsense. This is nonsense. You don't want to get down with me this night. Just tell me that and stop this now. If you talk to her on the phone, and she said, okay, fine. I mean, come on now. That tells you she's alive. Now, what's this now?
Jason.
If I start getting it outside, don't complain. I'm telling you, don't even complain. Don't complain.
Go and get it outside. Go, where are you? Here. Wonder shall never end. It's 11 a.m. and she's still sleeping. Ah, God, this girl. Coco, please wake up. Coco, I'm this way. Why do you always look at me? I'm this way. Sit up. I want to talk to you.
I said, am I lying down? Is it not sit down now?
Coco, I swear to God, you need help. You need serious help. See, I'm thinking of something. Eh? You're very good at cooking, isn't it? You cook in the village.
Anyway.
I think you should open a beautiful and good restaurant in this town.
Yes, me too. I agree with you.
It's not like that. Coco, open your eyes and listen to me. See, I think you should own a restaurant in this town. Do you understand?
Yes.
But it's not like the way you are saying it. See, this town is a very competitive place. You need to have the sauce, like something that will attract people to your restaurant.
I know if you begin go back about, say I won't go begin collect sauce or spice. I know the fit.
Not that kind of sauce, Coco. Listen, open your eyes. Your eyes are closed. You're still sleeping. Huh? See, I can help you.
Okay.
You know, I'll take you to Baba. Okay?
So now Baba. Huh?
Coco, don't worry. By the time we get there, you will understand.
Okay. Okay.
Coco.
No,
Neka, how are you?
who is this? You have a new guest.
Not really. She's my friend all the way from
Your sister.
sister.
From the same village to Abba.
Sister from where?
Abba.
Hope say she'll be cleaning the house because I don't want any. You see, many they like extra people for this house.
That's my friend Neka. Okay? Like I said, remember what we discussed? Take it serious. At least stand up. It's morning already. Get up. Coco, get up.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I already know why you're here. Yes. In the spiritual realm, I was seeing you coming.
Sir, I want some food.
They tell me your problem. And they also give me your solution. You want to get more customers.
Nine be that.
You want, if you sell food, make the thing finish in the next 1 hour.
You don't get them.
You want something that will make your food sweet. So that people will not know you, go hear the smell, they come.
If no be say, I know person where they up for saying that you get that up.
Hey! Awara! Awara! That man is a man. Awara have told me what you would do. If you follow his instruction, that's all.
I'll follow.
You see this thing I will give you?
Yes.
It's your final bus stop. It's your solution. This thing, if I give you, you take it, put it inside your rice. You don't need spices. The thing has everything. Pepper the inside, salt the inside, Maggi the inside.
Thank you, Baba.
Sugar the inside.
Thank you.
So what you need to do, just leave spices, put it. Once they eat it, anybody that tastes that food must be coming there every day by day.
Thank you, Jesus! Thank you, Jesus!
Stop! Why will you be calling Jesus?
I beg no vex.
Huh?
I don't say you and God the best. I just make a time come as now use my friend lead me reach here.
You don't call that name here.
You don't call Jesus too.
I call Jesus.
You don't call him again, Nana.
Why now? Huh?
I say if something good happen to us, now one person now will thank. Nobody make me shout his name.
You go doing this thing, use and wash your mouth. As you don't call that name before this thing go work.
Okay. I don't ever talk Jesus again. Now I wash my mouth every time I talk him now.
Yes. Not call Jesus.
You don't call him 4 times now, only 2 times me I've been calling. So if like now you go wash your mouth now.
I call Jesus.
5 times now. Thank you, sir.
You see this thing? In the morning, you open it, you pour inside your mouth.
Okay.
You leave it for 1 hour, 7 minutes. What did I say?
1 hour, 7 minutes.
Yes, don't spit it out.
Don't spit it out.
Don't speak to anybody.
Don't talk to anybody.
Once you open your mouth and talk, you will run mad.
Huh?
Anybody that talk to you, respond. This is your response.
Okay.
Anybody that greets you, good morning, good afternoon,
yes,
good night.
I go do one like that. I know I'm mad. As I did now since they born me. Mad person character now they exhibit. If God can't strike me with madness, now I'll be saying the road gets me and I go naked, I know where pint.
So this is everything you need.
Thank you.
This is the solution. Take it. Yes. Go and enjoy yourself. Just put inside the food. You're fine now. Customer going to look for you.
Hey, Baba. I say make I ask you. Every night me I dey pray. Before I come here. So this one when you give me this one now today, it means say no need to pray now because a person want to pray where I know call Jesus.
Leave this place. Try imagine. Wait. I've been following you.
Oh, Baba.
Yes.
Thank you for today.
Yes. There's a mix-up somewhere. This charm is not for you. It's for someone else. I mistakenly gave you the wrong charm.
Baba. You want to deceive an Abba person? You are giving me something that will make me a millionaire. Now you want to come and collect it from me?
No. See, I know what I gave you. I know what you want. This one is not for you. No. See, if you go with this one, you regret it.
I will not regret it.
You regret it.
You want to use it for yourself?
No. Wait. Now let me explain. Wait now.
No.
I was drunk. I was not thinking. Wait now. I was not thinking when I gave you this thing.
No.
See, it's not for you. This is not for you now.
You want to use it for yourself. You want to use it for
yourself. Can you listen
to me? No.
Coco?
No. You don't know me.
Coco, I know
you. See, I'm going to shock you. I'll buy my own car. I'll build my own house.
No problem.
Do you know who I am?
I know you now, please.
I should go.
Let's just go. Coco, please. I miss you. I'm sorry, please. Okay, I made you fried rice and chicken. I'm sorry.
You want to move to your house with food.
No. Coco, please, not like that. Please, I beg you. Please, Coco.
Which food did you say you even cooked that you are taking the time to come to your house again?
Rice and vegetable. Coco, please, we miss you. Mama has been worried. Please, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. Please.
And you cooked food?
Yes. Coco, please. I'm sorry. Please, let's go home. I beg you. I beg.
If it's not because I'm not moving.
I know.
Say you made food.
I know.
The food is there.
Yes, it's there.
Yeah? How much is house here?
Coco, Coco, there's no specific amount for houses here.
Jeep, how much? Black Jeep now I want.
Jeep.
Black one. Only black color now, remember? Black Jeep.
And who wants to buy Jeep?
Mommy.
Coco. You want to
I can buy.
surprise me.
I want to buy.
I know. When that time comes, we'll know.
Hey! You don't see me finish. You don't already look me. You don't decide my future.
Coco, just eat.
I go shock you.
I know. Just shock me.
I go shock you. You?
Hey, boo.
You're alone.
Welcome.
Yeah, I'll be waiting for you in the room. The air is obviously better there.
Oh, that's fine.
Aba LL Kuji. Hey, baby.
Coco. Coco, just eat, I beg.
I know just like her. Hey, boo. How much sleep in the house again?
Coco, leave him.
Hello, Bia. Carry my goods, come my sister house. Carry all the goods, come my sister house.
Hey, where's my money? Where's my money, man? You say, Are you messing with me? I said, where's my money? What did they worry you now? Is something wrong with you?
What is the problem?
Please, just stay out of this one, okay? Where's my money? See, you don't, look, don't, see, you don't want to get on my wrong side. You understand? I'm not been on this level with you. Right now, I don't joke with one thing, and that's my money.
Problem?
Where's my money?
What is wrong?
Where's my money? I'm telling you, where's my money? You don't want... Fine.
Where did you take
no
his money?
problem.
Then what's going on? Where's the money he said he kept?
Which one is wrong?
Come, you think I'm joking?
Which one is
Come,
wrong?
you think I dey follow you? Sir, I swear to God, come, where's my money?
I take your money. You won't give me. I don't take your money.
I said, where's my money? Tell her to give my money now.
Just calm down. Is it the money on the table? The one you kept on the table?
Yes.
Hey God, I carried it now. I kept it in your laptop bag. Can you just give me this thing? What do you want to do with this?
Man, don't no. Now you be the weapon
I kept
fashion
it in your
against
laptop
me.
bag.
Oh, my own don't
Why now?
Oh.
That's why you went to carry a cutlass. What do you want to do with it now?
Now you be the weapon fashion against me. I don't tire. My own don't finish.
I took the money. I put it in your laptop bag.
Why you took the money?
I kept it well for him. Can you just leave my sister? We'll see how you're holding now. What is this now?
Sorry, I wanted to cut off this hand she uses to steal now. I'm sorry, but babe, you should have told me now. You should have told me. You should have told me now. God save you today. Because I've been keeping you quiet all this while. God save you today. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
You can't be talking to her like that now. What's that?
Please, I beg.
Hey, see how bring back Pokoli don't scatter. My own don't scatter. Oh God, no, what did happen now? Oh, this about Pokoli don't put me for trouble. My own don't do no understand. Oh, my own don't know. Hey. It's too late to fight. This is Abriba Pokoli.
I beg you.
Now what's it now?
Which guy be this? Which guy be this? Which guy be this? Eh? Which guy be this? See,
You don't finish now.
Pep everywhere. This is how to cook food. I'm supposed to take cook food. So you go cook pep everywhere.
Rice, what's in there? Now 10 seed of rice. Now you don't pour. Now where you dey shout? 10 seed of rice.
You can't
Give me my money.
You got which money? Man, they go.
Where you dey go? I don't like him. I only tell you of counter. You know even
No, they go.
I
I want pay for food with no sweets.
When you chop finish.
No, they go. Leave me alone. This is no
Don't
sweets.
tell me that kind of nonsense, Oga. Give me my money, I beg.
Madam.
Give me my money.
Madam.
Some other nonsense.
Now to that don't see for here. You start food here now. See food where you go cook with no sweets.
When I first roll your cloth from my hand like hand glove.
I no get money.
I see how you want to go anywhere. You are who they do that one.
You want to get me?
No, they tell me that kind of talk, Oga. Some of this nonsense.
Obi! Madeline!
Madeline, they mad like you. You chop finish. You throw 10 seeds of rice for ground. You say that pepper too much. You pour water for all your body. Wash your face.
Oh, yeah, collect your money.
You chop finish. You wash your face like say you be Muslim. You want pray on top mat. Stop this nonsense.
Now over pepper custom. Collect your money. Collect your money.
That's why you perfect told me. I go
collect your money. No put half away. Waiting no concern you. No touch it no concern you. Oh yeah, now come out and now collect the money. Now they go.
I know. You know why I too like money, Oga. I for just leave the money for you because do through me we cook this money when I test them. Pepper been too much.
Okay, collect the money.
Oga, beg I know say this word and the spiritual they control the physical.
I go steep again.
No need. If you bring more rice if you want, but only pepper too much. I know if we give you extra.
Come on your hand. Come on your hand. Come on your hand.
Never see come out, Oga.
Come on down.
Oga.
Abara, your daughter is here.
I best stop. I not being daughter.
I told you.
I say I not being pikin. Don't you hear? It's where you give me no work.
What do you mean?
It's where you give me no work.
My charm.
You just do your whole egg. They drink she now for nothing. You no work.
Sit down.
Why I go sit down? The last one why I sit down. Anything come out of her?
Wait. You said my charm do not work. Do you know you're the first to tell me this? My charm do not work.
Other people they decrease. Maybe God help them. Now they think maybe now you, no be you.
How did you
I don't
use
know
it?
work.
How did
The
you
way
use
you say make I use her. Put her for my mouth. No talk for 1 hour, 7 minutes. Then put her for the food. I put her for the food. Everybody wake up the food, come back, say pepper day, pepper day, pepper day. If one person tongue bad, other people tongue bad.
Everybody complain.
Nobody will no complain.
You put all of them.
Okay, no make me vex so. I commodity your cap for your head.
But I said make you no put all of them, make you put half.
No be all I put. Wait till you make I do not do. It no work.
You put them for your mouth.
No, I know my nose now.
Did you talk to anybody? There's no way my charm will not work.
It know they work.
You know use them well.
I beg no tell me that kind. No make me vex.
Leave this place.
Why you command me make I leave this place?
I said you should leave this place.
If I no come out, what you go do? No, tell me I no dey command me. Oh, I don't like her.
Abara! Abara!
I just dey go because I want go. If you make me vex, I no go again. Hey, I call a man come outside.
Abara!
Hey,
Abara!
show the background.
Abara!
Outside.
My baby. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Right? Yeah. Take your time.
Coco, where are you coming from? Where have you been? Okay, no problem. I don't have your time now. I'm actually going out. I need you to help me take care of my baby.
Take care of daddy or take care of daddy. Me, I take care of daddy or daddy go take care of me.
Your grandfather is an alien. You understand me?
Yeah.
You're very stupid.
Yeah.
Who's your father?
Baby.
Come on, get out.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah,
honey, please.
baby,
I mean, what,
yeah,
are you sure
yeah,
this girl is
yeah.
your sister? This is, I mean, come on now, baby. I mean, look at two of you have different worlds. I mean, where did you get this from?
Yes.
Really?
Don't worry, I can give birth to me and you. I take care of twins, baby for
honey,
you.
okay? All right, you be good. All right.
Close door.
Very stupid. Very stupid.
Don't talk to me like that. It's not you that said make I take care of. It's not you that said make I take care of. Daddy can't take milk. No, they talk to me like that. Come and take care of milk.
I don't blame you. Where what hole did you come from?
That's why I call you baby. You know abuse and I mean the abuse. Now, baby.
Very stupid.
Baby.
Babe, please come. Babe. Hey, how are you? Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have to go this way, okay?
Okay.
All right.
How far?
Okay. You have to go this way.
Where you gonna go?
Just straight down. That's our house.
What do you mean saying now? Who be that?
My nose. You understand?
Why you call me house
That's
girl?
my nose.
Why you call me house girl?
What are you?
Why not the
Just
go?
respect yourself.
Why you call me house girl? Baby.
I'll clean the room.
Can you just go? What is this now?
If doctor will take care of you, they need clean environment to take care of you. I can't clean.
Look, I don't. Just go away now. What's all this now? I need my privacy. What's this?
Why are you going to command me?
I said I need my privacy. What's this? Is this your room?
Why are you going to command
me? Is this your room?
Your room.
Please, can you just go? Go now.
I won't clean the room.
What do you mean you want to clean?
Baby.
Oh my God.
Baby.
Oh my God. Babe, I'm sorry.
No be the horn where they blow. Now, who come?
You have to change, okay? You have to change just right now. Change your clothes right now. Just make that happen right now. That's my pastor. That's my. Why don't you come on? Let's go. Change.
No be about the horn. Now, who come? Who horn? Now you go to bother you.
Okay, can you excuse me? Let me change room. Babe? Coco! Babe! Where is everybody? Coco!
They go.
Let me have it.
Not only you be lose woman, you can't short joy. Don't collect your pint.
Please, let me have
That's
it.
why you will take go today. I'm waiting. You go with that pint today. I don't want you.
Please, let me just have it.
I don't want you. You are a loose woman. You are an adulteress.
Please, let me just have it.
What is going on? Hey, baby, why haven't you gone now?
I need to get that from her.
But do you need that? You don't really need the pants. Give her a pants. What's wrong with you now? What is wrong? Can you just go? Can you just go? You have no business here. What's your problem? Please, just go.
Don't mark your face.
Just go first.
And I know the pant size of your pint.
What is wrong with you?
I know the size of your pint. Large this thing. Black.
Quiet.
What's wrong with you? Why are you this scared?
Blackness, G-string.
What's wrong with you? Why
It's my pastor, okay? It's my pastor.
Your pastor,
Yes. And this pastor is somebody that I've known since I was small, you understand? I just don't want him to see things. You just gotta go.
are you scared of your mom like that?
Go.
What's wrong with
It's
you?
my pastor.
Your pastor how?
Just go first of all. Just understand me.
You are a large black pint wearer. Large net pint.
What's your problem? What's your problem now? Hey, baby. Back? You good?
Did you eat something?
I mean, I've not eaten anything actually.
Why? Why's that?
Nurse, you know where nurse come? Nurse now they help am take care of am since as.
Yeah, I didn't have anything to eat, but
Nurse come.
Babe, are you okay?
No, I'm fine. What happened is that the nurse actually came. Can you let me speak? Nurse come. Yes, nurse did come, okay?
Let me say nurse come.
Nurse.
The problem. Where nurse go as nurse come?
Can you just stop? Your sister talks too much. You talk too much, you know? What is this? The thing is that my boy, Felix,
no,
yeah?
Boy, not this year, but
Can you just shut up? Can you shut up?
Don't shut me up. As nurse come, where nurse go?
Can you tell your sister to keep quiet? Can I let me talk? Honey, the problem is my guy went to school. The sister is a nurse. She came around and she said I've been having malaria.
Can you just get him something to eat, please?
Oh, baby, not true. Baby, you never eat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
Baby.
Yes.
Wah.
Coco.
No, seriously, your sister talks too much, and this is why she hasn't given me food since. Seriously, if she wasn't your sister, no, she's really getting on my last nerve. I'm not going to lie to you. She's really getting on my last nerve. She's talking. Come on now.
Take food, baby. Before we talk where nurse go, you take.
I told her to prepare something special.
Something special don't come. For this life, what will come now? Nothing sweet past breast milk. Breast milk. What's more picking go no breast milk? You don't say breast milk.
Can you stop playing?
What is this?
Nurse come.
Can you just stop?
What is going on?
I told her to get me milk. I told her to get me milk in this.
Something special.
Baby, look, I just told her to get me milk. I didn't want a glass, you understand? That's the thing that happened. Yes, please. Can you just...
Nurse come.
Please, can you tell her that she needs to make some more food for me?
What did nurse wear come?
I said I have taken this. What is your problem?
No drink am. Where nurse?
What is wrong with you?
There's something He's not telling me.
What was the meaning of that?
What's the meaning of what?
And why would my sister embarrass you like that in front of me?
Babe, I don't understand. What are you on about? Look, forget about your sister, man.
Why was my sister giving you feeding bottle in front of me? What was that for?
Look, can you just stop? I mean, you and I know you have a lunatic for a sister. You know that, okay? So,
Jason,
yeah.
Is that why my sister is giving you a feeding bottle in front of me?
Honey, look, you're the one who said I've been hostile to your sister, right? But this time around, I just tried to indulge her just a little bit, just to entertain you now. That's it, entertain her. I mean, I just don't want no squabbles again. That's just it. That's why I took it. Come on, I don't want no... Are we going to fight over that? No, seriously? You and I know your sister is a dunce now. Come on now. So what's all this?
I'm so heartbroken. Why would he do this to me? I love him so much.
Now you're getting me annoyed, though.
Do you even hear yourself?
I'm hearing myself out. And why are you trying to make me prove myself for nothing? Why am I explaining myself? This is annoying me right now. Now you're beginning to piss me off.
So you call me a liar?
No, I'm telling you, you're beginning to piss me off. What's all this for now? What's this? What's this? You heard what? What? No, seriously, if you continue like trust me, I'm telling you, I'll leave you. I'm telling you the truth because this is nonsense. Now, I'll leave here and go. What's all this now?
Okay, it's fine. It's okay. You can go and never come back again.
What did you say?
Yes, you heard me.
I can go? Mm-hmm. I hope you know what's coming out from your mouth, right? You're saying I could go. Mm-hmm. I should leave. Don't beg me, I'm telling you. You're saying I should leave. Oh, it's all good, no problem. No, I'm warning you now, don't beg me. Don't beg me. Don't beg me. Hey, don't. It's all good, it's all good.
Hey, are you for real?
This girl won't even beg me. This girl won't even beg me. Locked? It's all good. It's all good. Huh? It's all good. It's all good.
So you're here drinking? Huh?
Listen, please, Sugar, I have bigger problems right now, okay? Please.
Is this supposed to be your apology? You can't say you're sorry. Jason, go down on your knees and apologize to me right now.
Sugar. Let me pretend as if I didn't hear that thing you said.
I can see you're tired of this relationship. Nonsense. He's not coming to beg. Let me see who comes crawling. So you're not even remorseful. You're not. Jason. You know what? You need to apologize to me now on your knees. Right now.
You mad? You did Chris. No, something they worry you. When that one start now, I should kneel down. You off? Sugar, something enter your head. Okay, will you get out from here? I said get out from here, my friend. I should kneel down. God will punish you. Sure, come back. Don't try come back here again. If I won't come up for here for you, no, just try come back here again. They're mad.
You know where you sit down for here, they think. Now what's happen?
Coco, Jason is gone. Jason is gone.
God, I beg you. When he die?
Coco, you're always joking. That's not what I meant. Jason has left me.
For talk I'm like this now. As he leave you, that one na good news. That Onitsha LL Kuj, no be person.
Coco, can you stop? Have you ever loved somebody before? Have you ever been in a relationship? What right or what makes you think you can advise me about relationship?
I no need to the relationship before I go no say that thing be say LL Kuj, no be human being.
Coco, I'm not joking. Can you just stop it?
Stop with him.
Stop talking bad about him.
Okay, no verse. Hey, that man they on for TV.
Coco, did you see him bring any girl to this room, to this house? Coco,
no, they call my name. The way they call my name, they vex me. Now me senior you. Now you say make I not put my mouth for your boyfriend talk. Say I no reach to put my mouth. Now you see they ask me whether I see him with girl. Which kind of thing be that?
I'm just asking. Coco.
As na cry you dey make I sleep dey my own eye. As you say na, be say Burna Boy now you want to follow. What you be my own inside?
Coco, this is not nice, oh. It's not nice, oh.
Now they call my name abeg. Now your decision say you want follow Abapokoli. So since you want follow Abapokoli, no put my name inside. Abeg.
I'm your sister, oh. This is not nice. This is not nice.
Why you dey do like that now? Just dey bang the gate. Why you dey bang the gate like that? You too get bad behavior. Make I go find cold thing buy, they come. Because you go back tire oh. Bang 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 bang. I know they like it, they make me vex. Come. You see the outside though. How you want? Ma push am, ma drive am.
Coco, don't do that. Please don't do that. Huh? Where do you want him to go?
Let me be mama. What do you call me where and go? Now me carry reach here.
Coco, please open the gate for him.
I'm sorry, I no go fit.
Abeg, good night. You don't know what kind of sister does not like any good thing for her sister. You're always begging, always begging all the time.
Babe, I said I'm sorry. Look, I know I messed up. I know, but please. This has lingered too long now. Baby, please, let's just make up, please. I know, baby, I missed you, and I know you missed me. Don't even say you didn't miss me, or you... Baby, I missed you.
It's okay. I miss you too.
Baby, I missed you.
You're not teacher there. That side. Sorry, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher. I say make I come see you. I come yesterday. You did busy as you do like this now. Go.
Okay.
I say make I know whether I'll join the children. They do lesson. The person never too old to go school.
Like your pikin or you won't join.
I never even born. Nami.
Now you. I beg. This school now for small children.
Oh, okay. I say make us. I never even go out. Make I even start from where they start from.
No. I beg. See, adult school plenty for around here. Plenty. Go check around. See them. Plenty. Just go.
You do your hand. I don't look everywhere. You do your hand. You know the people house. Now me this. I don't know where I'll find the adult school. Go.
Madam, I tell you say I get class.
Okay.
I beg, I don't get time. Just they go, yeah?
Okay.
Adult school plenty around. Go.
I go check.
They go now.
Go. When you say allow me then now, class prefect for fit me. Make I go.
Baby, you know those buildings are really beautiful. Babe? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure? Why's your face like that?
No, nothing. I'm good. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Jason, I command you to pick this call now. Oh, it's not picking. Jason, I command you to pick this call now.
So where we traveling to now?
I don't know where you want to go to.
Yeah.
Take your call.
It's not important, babe.
What do you mean it's not important? Take your call.
Babe, it's not important. I'm saying it's not important.
Just take your call.
Babe, forget this thing now. This person is not important now. I've told you now. Let's go.
Jason, are you kidding me now?
Which ways am I kidding you, babe? Stop this now. Stop this. Let's go.
Are you
now.
hiding something?
Me hiding something? How?
Okay, it's fine.
Babe, what's this now?
Play, right? No problem.
Handkerchief. It's gone. Oh God. Baba, the handkerchief is gone.
come on now, babe, stop now. Don't be like this. Stop.
Jason. Why did you not pick your call?
Babe, I told you that person is not important. This is somebody begging me for money, okay? That's the truth. Come on now, let's not do this now.
Why are you always like this? And you know, something tells me that you have another woman in your life.
Come on now.
Jason, it had better not be that woman that I saw there. It had better not be that woman.
No, babe. You know what? Give me a reason why I should cheat on you. You're beautiful. You're everything I want. I mean, you're somebody who's looking out for me. So why would I cheat on you? No, if you were me, would you cheat on you? Come on now. Don't be like this, babe. You know, we talked about trust. Our relationship should be built on trust. Why should I be explaining myself too much?
But I don't trust you anymore.
Why would you trust me? What is going on?
Because I don't understand what is going on. I'm not feeling this whole thing anymore.
Babe, I don't understand. Seriously, this thing just started since your sister came. Because I don't understand. What's this? Why are we doing this? Why am I explaining myself? Let's not do this. You know what, babe? You know what? Let's go home. The air around here obviously is bad for us. Let's just go. Let's go, I beg.
Jason.
What?
I'm not going home with you.
And why?
I don't think I want to go to my house with you.
Why?
We'll just get a hotel and stay. Because the euphoria is just terrible. I'm not understanding anything anymore. I'm not even trusting you. I don't feel you anymore. I don't know what is going on.
Babe, let's not embarrass ourselves here, please. I don't know why we want to go to a hotel. You know what? We'll go to the hotel. Babe, let's just live here first of all. You know, let's not do this now. Look, I'm not one to argue with you because I know I love you. Okay, let's not do this, baby. Please, let's just go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I love you. Stop.
Oh God, I'm stuck in here. Somebody help me! Oh God, what do I do?
My sweet thing, my sweet thing. I keep telling you, relax now. Relax, I got you.
You just make me get worried all the time.
Baby, you shouldn't be worried. Come on now. Why should you be worried when I have you? Look, come on now. One of the things that endeared me to you was your confidence. Don't. I know they lose points where I did now.
You know, you want to put me on my
Come on now. Come on. Okay, baby. For reminders, actually, you know I love you, right?
No, I love you too.
You know I love you.
I know, I love you too because
you know
I love you more.
Okay. You know what, baby? I'm your alarm clock. I know that. Okay, I know you've forgotten. You talked about the spa before you said we should come and walk in this place.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yes.
Well, you want to come with me?
No, I don't need no ladies smooshing me and
What
then
do
next.
you
No, I
mean?
don't need no ladies smooshing me
It's
and the next thing
fun.
you'll be jealous. No. The last time I went there, you were telling me that I was too comfortable around the ladies. So you know what? No, I'm just gonna wait at the sports bar.
It's fun.
Next to the place.
Okay.
While you finish your 1 hour, 2 hours, and then when you're done, you call me. I'll come get you. Okay.
At least you're coming with me. So yes.
I'll be at the sports bar, just next
But
to
at
the
least
spa.
you're coming with me.
We're going. We're going, baby.
All right. Woo!
Babe, oh my God. Babe, I'm really not what's going on. Baby, are you okay? Are you alright? Huh?
I'm so weak.
You're weak.
Yeah, just take me out of here. Nabiki, welcome. Nabiki.
As I come, oh,
So now you bring that big car, come so. Welcome, my pikin.
I say all of us must do meeting. We must talk. You say this house now only girls and one boy. So since everything don't do okay now, I don't get money, I don't get settled. I won't marry wife for. Hey! Yes. Anybody who they interested, feel come. But I must like the person where you go marry.
Is that a good person now? I choose them plenty.
Yes. Then start business. Make everybody does the happy, make it just born children, put for house for you, make they take care of.
Make I see the one where they disturb me.
That's what we go do. If you like, make you misbehave, that misbehave, you misbehave before I travel. I go slap you until your belly go.
No, go do like that. No, go do like that. You no go do like that.
That's why I say
thank you.
God, you do well,
Mama.
I hope say this boy they behave well.
Mama, I'm a married man.
I can see myself.
Wait, drop your leg. You dey smoke it, bro.
Sister, no, they smoke.
Stop all that nonsense. You go start say thank you.
Sorry.
Why you dey do like this?
Sorry.
You be Muslim?
Sister, sorry. I'm happy now. I'm happy that you want to marry for me. Eh?
So you choose the girl, bring her. I must like her. Now me go marry her.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to see my man, baby.
Of course. See who? Since when?
Be there and be asking me jam questions. See, I'm going to see my man. The man of my heart. The one who has taken me as his life partner.
Yes. You're not alone in this, my dear. You're not alone in this one.
What do you mean by that?
I have a man too now. I'm going to see after now.
Huh?
Yes. I'm going to see my man after now.
Is it a lie?
Of course.
You? Babe. So you have a man. It's not nice. I didn't tell me your babe.
It doesn't matter. What matters is that we both have who we love.
Yeah.
And me, I'm going to see my own.
I'm beginning to suspect you.
You think it's only that I can enjoy yourself, Abi?
Mama, our sister has promised to marry for me now. See, she has finished. She has done everything she can do for me. And I'm promising you. Mama, you don't understand. I'm so happy.
I can't see.
I feel like going to wake her up and thank her again. I'm telling you, I'm so happy. Mama, but what I don't like is, sister says she wants to choose her friends for me.
Do you have girls?
I have plenty now. Boku, I have them, Boku.
You make sure you bring them on now, so that she will make her choice from there. I don't really understand what's going on. Nneka can be a handful. Is she for real? Or is she just pulling my legs?
She can't be serious. I feel like she said all that to feel among. She can't be in a serious relationship all this while without mentioning to me, even if it's once.
Come to think of it, I can actually make her my chief bridesmaid on my big day.
If only she would bring down her ego, she will follow me to plan this wedding. I'm certainly sure that if she's happy for me, she will definitely find a man for herself.
Nneka. Hey, my daughter, you're welcome. Thank you, Mama. So you mean you want to become my son's wife? Yes, Mama. You know my daughter has made money now. For you to become my son's wife, you have to pass through some tests too. Mama, that's not a problem. See, Mama, listen. Nduka likes me. No, what am I saying? Nduka loves me, and I love him back. You know he's my husband. I can do anything for him. You mean it? Yes, Mama. Bring it on. All right. I will pass through any test at all. Okay. As it is, go and get me a cup of water from inside the house. Is that all? Is it cold one or warm one? Just water. I know what you like. I'll bring you room temperature. You know, you don't need cold water, yeah? Mama.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
welcome.
I'm fine.
Whom are you looking for?
My name is Nneka. I'm Nduka's wife to be.
Nduka's
Yes,
wife
ma.
to be.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, ma.
Is he expecting you?
Yes, he told me to come. Yes, ma'am.
As it is now, Nduka is not around.
Mama. I came from very far distance.
Mama, your water is here. Here.
What am I saying?
Nneka, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Nneka, I said, what are you doing?
What are you doing here?
Mama, here is your letter. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, God. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
No, hold on. Nneka, don't tell me you traced me all the way from the house to this place. Oh, wait, hold on. You want to confirm?
This is my husband's house. I came here to look for my husband.
It's not husband?
Yes, my husband. This is his house. I came here to look for my husband.
To my best of knowledge, Nduka does not have any younger brother. Who is your husband, if I may ask?
Nduka is my husband.
Osno!
You're mad! You're stupid!
You're very stupid!
You're stupid! Nneka, you're mad!
Nneka!
I'll kill you! I'll kill you!
Stop fighting! No, stop fighting! Don't worry, my son will marry both of you! Run away!
What is happening here?
My husband!
What is this?
My love! Osno, my love!
Your husband. Wait!
Thief!
Thief!
My husband!
Listen, do you even want to kill me before the marriage?
I'm the only one now.
I love you. Look, I know I love you.
Wait, let me tell you
so
people. See,
much.
listen,
I love
listen. I love you. My sister that wants to marry for me is no longer marrying again. She doesn't have money again. So you go your house. Your house.
You're joking. See,
That I'm joking. Do I look like a comedian?
The person that will live here that is not wanted is this husband snatcher.
Don't mind that. You cannot
chase me.
Go.
See,
go.
Mama, you don't stand in there. Come on.
Go. Are you not the one that brought them?
Oh,
you're just collecting my.
I don't get change.
Stop that nonsense. Go bring change.
I don't get change. See, may I bring her down? I don't get change.
Why? You want pull on my jigs with chin?
No, that's fine.
Bring it, give me one change for
No
give me.
change, ma.
How much do you want?
Now, 200.
So you won't carry my 600 naira?
No, I know.
What do you mean by that?
Not change.
Stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense behavior.
Change.
Stop that stealing behavior.
Give me more. I don't get change.
Why you give me more? Now peanut life I come.
No, no.
Give me my change.
Coco. Give me my change. Give me change. Coco, what kind of thing is this one? Why are you sleeping here?
I say only change for them, no gree give me. Dream I get money where money full everywhere.
Coco, can you stop? That's how you be lying down here. Jesse will bring a girl to this house and you will not even see the person.
Where the girl dey? Where the girl they bring? Where she dey?
Coco, I don't want to see Jason in this house again. I don't want Jesse to come to this house again. Please don't allow him enter this house again. Just let her be sleeping. I don't understand.
So you know the verse say person hold my change for dream, no give me. Okay. Now no reach verse.
What do you want? What do you want here?
Babe, I'm sorry. Babe, I'm sorry. Look, I know I goofed. I know I messed up, but please, I'm sorry. I'm just so sorry. I've missed you. I'm sorry, please.
You know you're not a serious person, right? Babe. You know you're a joker, right?
Babe, come on now, please.
You don't belong here. You cannot be here. What are you doing here?
Babe, please. Babe,
please, don't, Jesse, don't touch me.
Babe,
don't.
Come on now. Babe, it's me now. Babe, come on. Babe, come on now.
Babe, come on now. Don't be like this, babe. Stop. Don't be like this. I said I'm sorry. Honey, I'm a fool. I know I'm a fool. I know I've messed up, but please, it's me now. It's me. I've missed you. Babe, come on. I said I'm sorry.
What are you sorry about?
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I've messed you. Look, I know I goofed. I messed up. I mean, you've offended me before. Did I let you beg me like this? Come on now, babe. Let's not do this now. I know you've missed me. I've missed you more.
It's okay. It's okay. I forgive you.
My girl. I'm sorry now. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Smile for me now. Give me a... I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
I forgive you. And I miss you.
I miss you more.
Have you had something to eat?
No.
Every time, no.
No, I mean, come on now. I'm thinking of you. What is food?
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna get your favorite. Just give me some time.
I'll give you all the time.
Alright.
I love you.
No.
My baby. My girl. God, thank you. Woo! Thank you, God. Oh, more. Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
So where are we going?
Where do you want to take me to? I'm all yours. Officer, you're welcome. So this is the man. You're going to arrest him.
Babe.
You know I told you don't know me.
Babe, what is this now? What is this? What is going on?
So this is for all the bad things you have done. All the monies. All the fake alerts that you have given me. Jason. You remember that man that you duped? You remember? Babe, that money. That one. That one is coming to you now. You duped the man, you collected his money. So these guys are aware of it. You're going to follow them to the station right now.
Babe, what's all this now? Babe, come on now. I thought babe.
Your time is up.
Babe, what is this now?
Your time is up. Officer, please take him away.
Babe, come on now, babe. Wait, babe.
You're a cheat.
Babe, what is all this now? Babe, come on now. We can't be like this
Just
now.
Go.
Babe.
Thank God for freedom.
Babe.
Yahoo boy, no laptop.
Babe.
You sit in my house, eating my food, knocking me, collecting my money. Ole shi. Hey. How are you doing? I knew I was going to find you here. So I got you this. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's fine. Thank you. I need you to take care of yourself and the unborn baby, okay?
I'm so sorry. I didn't have the time to say I'm sorry.
That's fine.
Thank you so much.
All right. Take care. Bye. It's been a while. How are you doing?
Very well. How are you?
I'm okay. Good to see you.
Why did you blank me?
Don't even go there.
I have
You got
to.
married and you moved on.
Married?
So I heard, yes.
Where? When? How?
I don't know. I heard you got married.
Did Jexy say that to you?
Jason?
Yeah?
I don't know. But I heard you got married and you moved on.
No. None of that. None of that. I never did. I guess he lied to you or so, but
You did?
I think this is the moment where I say to you, let's give love another chance.
Please don't start. Don't start.
I have to.
And what are you doing here?
This is one of my properties.
How you doing?
I'm fine. How's the place doing? I'm so excited.
The place perfect. You never full now. Once night reach, all the drunkards they go full here. They like drink like me.
Nice one. I'm so excited.
This location where you choose for me, mine be the best.
You mean now?
For night,
Hey, God.
no space.
Thank you. Thank
Ground
you.
go full.
Hey,
Yes.
I'm so excited.
You too much. Thank you for this business. Thank you.
You're
I don't they
welcome.
save money.
Hey.
I get pepper soup. What you go drink? What you go
Anyone,
eat?
just give me anyone.
Even me all the alcohol they sell, I don't drink am finish.